Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on auto answering calls on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Apps. In Apps, select System App Settings. Next, select Call Settings. In Call Settings, select Auto Answer. Tap the toggle to turn it on. If you want a delay before answering, tap Delay and then change the time delay to what you want. You can also choose whether you want auto answer to work all the time or only when a headset is connected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.